that Thanksgiving bird just yet. Grocery stores trying to entice you with their sales, and our Smart Shopper team has them all. ABC 15 Mornings anchor Danielle Lerner shares the top grocery deals this week.
Turkey is all over every ad this week. Food City has frozen Norbis turkeys on sale for 89 cents a pound. Fry's will give you a free 10 to 14 pound frozen turkey if you buy a private selection spiral sliced ham for $2.99 a pound. Since Safeway and Albertsons are owned by the same company, they're offering the same deal. They'll actually price match a premium honeysuckle white turkey if you see a better price at Fry's or Bash's'. Bash's', though, is taking it a step further. It will price match any grade A turkey at Fry's, Albertsons, and Safeway. Hey, while you're there, grab a dozen of Bash's' large eggs for 88 cents. And you can get a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes for just 89 cents. Albertsons has an even better deal for that 10-pound bag, just 69 cents. Plus, they have 2 liters of 7-Up, Pepsi, and Coca-Cola for 49 cents each, but you do have to buy 5 to get that price. Safeway and Fry's have those same brands on sale in cans, 4 packs for $8.88. Bash's' has that deal on Pepsi and Mountain Dew. There are so many other deals to share, so go to abc15.com/smartshopper and we'll have them all there for you.